congratulations. You took us up on the decision. They're here.
You got the first step.
That's right. That's the first step. Listen, but we have a very special offer for you right now. This is very unique. You're not going to see it again. This is a very limited time. If you skip it, you're going to miss it. Look above you. Exactly. Our special offer is that we're going to double things for you. How is that going to work?
Don't worry. Keep your money on your pocket.
That's right. Yeah, we're still no risk, no investment.
Not selling anything. Actually, this is crazy.
It is crazy.
I'm going to give you something that people are actually paying to get. Right? I'm going to give you like for free for 30 days for you, so you can try it. No money out of your pocket, but right now, that's your only chance, okay? You can upgrade for a Builderall Business Pro account.
Right.
So what is the difference between the Builderall Business and the Builderall Business Pro account? First, forget about the 50%.
Right.
Now we are talking about 100% commissions on your first sale. Now,
so we double the percentage, right?
We double.
We double the percentage.
But we double the percentage, but you don't have to do a double job. It's exactly the same thing you were about to do it, exactly the same effort, but instead of make 50%, you're gonna make 100%. That's the first benefit, okay? Cool. And then you're gonna keep doing the 30% in recurring commissions, right?
That's awesome.
It's awesome. It's awesome because...
So they're gonna double from 50% to 100%.
Yes.
It's still zero risk. It's still zero money out of pocket.
Exactly. So, come on.
100% commission.
Wait,
okay.
But there is more.
There's more.
There is more.
Tell me more.
So, when people buy Builderall, they're gonna use the tools. They're gonna use the platform. So what happens next? Most of people who buy Builderall, they are entrepreneurs.
Right.
They are doing business.
They're doing some kind of business.
So they will figure it out because it's happening. They will see, hey man, this thing is awesome. And then we're gonna have a button there, hey, become an affiliate, do business with Builderall, build your business, stuff like that. So what we have now, it's like 30 to 40% people converts for the Builderall Business Pro. So people come to Builderall to use the platform, they figure it out, it is awesome, and then they change the account, they become Builderall Business Pro. Because with the Builderall Business account, the Builderall Business Pro account, you still can use the platform, you still can use all the tools, but you have the business, you have the Builderall business. So what I'm trying to say is, when you sell Builderall, some people will convert to Builderall Business Pro.
That's right.
They will become business owners on Builderall. They will sell Builderall as well.
That's right.
And then you're gonna make an extra 30% commissions on resales. All right? Okay. So again, for example, hey Ruben, do you wanna have this platform again? I already sold it.
Okay, I'll buy it again.
All right. So you got the platform. So good. This is buying again. Now, Ruben, you are using the platform. It's good?
Oh, I love it.
Okay, so we want to do business with that?
Yes.
Okay, man. So upgrade your account for Builderall Business Pro, and you can promote for your friends.
Perfect.
Right? Okay. So now Ruben is a business, and he's promoting for his friends. I gonna make 30% recurring commissions on his account and his friend's account, and that's it. This is not a multi-level marketing company, all right? We are talking about 2 tiers of income, all right? It's just a leverage, but this leverage is very powerful.
It's very powerful.
It's crazy powerful. I'm gonna show you how powerful it is. So when I say this is not a multi-level marketing company, it's not that we don't like the model, we don't like the business. That's not it. It is a good business model, but we don't want to compete with multi-level marketing companies. We want to actually be a solution for multi-level marketing companies.
And we are. We have thousands of multi-level people using our platform to bring in new leads to their businesses.
Because if you are a lawyer, what do you need?
Right. You need leads.
You need leads.
Right.
And you need clients.
That's right.
How are you going to get that? Online. With
Online.
Okay. If you have a school, a fitness center, what do you need?
You need leads.
Okay. If you have a pizzeria, what do you need?
You need leads.
Okay. If you work with multi-level marketing, what do you need?
Leads.
So that's it. So we are a solution for everybody, right? So we are not a multi-level marketing company, but we are a service that multi-level marketing company can hire. So when I'm talking about the 2 tiers, it's something that we call joint inventory, okay? So I'm gonna have Ruben, all right? And I'm gonna make money with the Ruben clients. That's a joint inventory. Let's make money together, 2 tiers. So this is really, really awesome. Right now, I'm talking to you something like still no money out of your pocket. But if you press this button, upgrade, okay, you're gonna have the Builderall Business Pro account. So instead 50%, you're gonna make 100%, okay? And then you're gonna keep the 30% recurring. But you're gonna add on your earnings 30% recurring income of your second tier, all right? So in a few minutes, in a few seconds, I'm gonna show you the calculator So you can have some idea of how much money you can make with the Builderall Business Pro account. So that's the second benefit. And the third benefit of the Builderall Business account is you're gonna have all the Builderall tools, man. Right.
So the upgrade right now with no risk. There's no risk and no out of pocket. No out of pocket investment. You unlock the full platform.
Exactly.
You double the commissions. You double from 50% to 100% your first level. You still have your 30% recurring.
Exactly.
And they also unlock a second level tier of 30%.
Exactly.
Fantastic. And then they get all the tools in the platform, like unlimited domains,
Exactly.
the webinar tool, the script generator, the social proof tool, unlimited email sending. I mean, this is unheard of.
Unlimited
and zero risk.
email.
Unlimited emails.
Email leads and sending. Man, webinar platform.
Just the webinar platform.
You can build websites. And again, you are an entrepreneur. You're going to work with Builderall. Okay, all right. So tomorrow you're going to wake up and you're going to have an idea. Hey, I just have an idea. I'm going to build a website to sell, I don't know, magazines. All right. So I'm going to find a different way to sell magazines online. Man, you have Builderall the platform. You have the power. You have the tools to go on your computer, create your website, create your store, create your offer, put your magazine, promote for some people. You have everything that you need to build more business, to get more stuff. And actually your business, maybe you already have a business. So you have everything. You can build unlimited websites, capture pages, sales funnels, you have trainings, you have tutorials, you have a tool that you can do videos, you can do social proof, you can do email marketing, you can build apps, you can build responsive websites, you can build pixel perfect websites, you can build mobile first websites. What else? You have the Script Engage, a tool that's going to help you to get the perfect copy for your stuff.
Hot maps, so you can track what people are doing on your website. All the statistics are built into the website. You can do split tests,
A/B split tests.
A/B split tests, run all the statistics, even on your buttons. You can know who's clicking what. It's incredible.
Browser notifications and more. It never stops because we have a team of more 100 people working on Builderall, and we are always developing stuff, right? So okay, so
right now we unlocked, right? So right now the upgrade, you have the opportunity to just hit that button, upgrade. You're not going to see this opportunity again. Anybody else that has the same thing has to pay for it. Exactly. Right now you get to try it for 30 days with no risk, no money out of pocket. So you get unlock the whole platform. You have access to all the tools. But before you go there, if you want to go there, go to it right now because you have nothing to lose. But if you want to think about what that double means, what from 50% to 100% means, or what unlocking that second level of 30% commissions means, we got the calculator right here on the page. Exactly. We're going to go there now. We'll show you. Okay.
Just before going to the calculator, ask me this question. You already want to do the Builderall business, right? You already decided I'm going to promote this thing.
Okay, I want to do it.
Okay, you're going to make money, right?
That's right.
Okay, so what you have to lose if you have to do the same job, all right, but make double commissions?
I have nothing to lose.
Exactly, because you're not going to pay anything now, right? But I'm going to tell you how this thing is going to work. So my idea here is having you not just with a Builderall business. Okay. I want to have you as a Builderall Business Pro account. So I want you to try all the Builderall tools. I want you to do the business and have 100% commissions. And I want to have you building a network of Builderall business owners and getting the second tier. That's very powerful, man. It's very, very powerful.
Very powerful.
And I want you to try that with no risk. So this is how it's going to happen. When you press the button upgrade, okay, you're going to do the commitment. You're going to upgrade your account, right? So how the thing? The Builderall business account is going to cost you $49.90 a month. Right. $49, okay? Almost 50. Okay, let's talk 50. Less than 50. So it's going to cost you $49 a month, okay? But it's not about how much money you're going to pay. It's about how much money you're going to make with this thing, all right? Okay, cool. So today, you're going to press the upgrade button. You're going to do the recurring payment on PayPal or credit card or whatever you want to use to pay. It's going to be $0 down.
$0 down, so you still have 30 days.
Nothing.
Right.
And $49.90 in 30 days.
In 30 days.
Okay, but here's the thing. You have 30 days to work, to promote Builderall. During those 30 days, you're not going to be making 50%. You're going to be making 100%. And some people, during those 30 days, they will become a Builderall Business Owners Pro. And they will promote as well, and then you're going to start generating leads and money on the second tier. All right? So this is the risk-free proposal for you. Upgrade now. get yourself the chance to make double commissions and insane leverage on the second tier. If this thing's not working for you in less than 30 days, cancel.
Which is incredible. It works for everybody.
No, cancel. All right? It's not, and let's be honest. If we have an awesome funnel, okay? Awesome funnels. If this thing is not working for you in 30 days, probably it's not going to work for you in 60 days or in 1 year. It's not going to work for you at all, okay? And that's almost impossible. It works for everybody who actually try it.
That's right.
Okay? And the funnels we did, they are very special, so it's going to work for you. But upgrade now. Give yourself the chance to make 100 commissions on the first and second tier and get the tools, play around with Builderall, okay? Give yourself 30 days to make this thing work. If it's working, if you have leads, if you have money, if you have commissions, if you have this thing, man, awesome, you get it. You took a great step, right? Because you're going to be actually making more money. So if it's working, all good. You don't have to do anything. You already have your commitment, your payment schedule, right? But if it's not working, cancel. Just send an email to contact@Builderall and say, hey, my name is Eric. I tried the Builderall Business Pro. It's not working for me. I want to cancel my account. Boom, that's it. We're going to cancel your account before you get the payment. So there is no such thing like an awesome opportunity like that. All right? I'm giving you everything. I'm giving you the tools, the emails, everything with no risk at all. And I'm giving you the opportunity to make double commissions in the second tier before you do the payment.
This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this done online. I mean, zero risk, zero investment, and 100% commission of all the sales.
Exactly.
This is incredible.
This is incredible.
Yeah. It's the first time ever that you will never see an opportunity like this online ever again.
And this is the system that people are using to do $40,000, $90,000 in income, $20,000 in income, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 monthly income. So man, it's an awesome opportunity. We built this funnel here to make you start working with Builderall with an insane commission system with no money out of your pocket. So you have the chance to see the results, to see how powerful this business is, to see how powerful the business model is before paying. All right, so you have 30 days. Now, I'm going to show you the calculator, how the calculator works. We have the calculator on this page right below here. You can see the calculator, and you can do the calculator by yourself. So the question is, how many people you think you bring to Builderall in 1 year? You're going to give me an answer. Then you're going to figure out how many people of this group will convert and Builderall business. We have an average of 30%. Okay, that's like for years we have an average for 30%. And then how many people those guys are going to sell? How many licenses those guys are going to sell? Put there. What do you think? All right. So try the calculator with the best scenario, the worst scenario. Try it. Try the calculator.
Just play with the calculator. It's right here on the page.
And then you're going to see how powerful this business is.
It's interesting. And something that I want everybody to know is that we have the data. We see the numbers. We have one of the highest retention rates in the industry. Because people come, they love our platform, they love all the tools and everything that we offer, and we have one of the highest retention rates, not only in the people that we bring into the platform, but also, you just heard the numbers, our average is 30% of the people that convert to a business owner to promote. Those are numbers that in this industry, you're not going to see anywhere else.
Yeah, I thought you were about to say that we already paid $1 million in commissions, but okay, let's not say that.
We won't. No, I don't want to say that we already paid over $1 million in commissions.
No, man, don't say that we already paid $1 million in commissions.
No, we won't mention that.
All right, okay. So not mention, guys. You heard nothing. Okay?
You heard nothing. Okay.
Not paid $1 million in commissions yet.
Yeah.
No, not saying we paid, but I'm not saying.
No, we can't say that. Okay.
All right, guys. So let's jump to the computer. Let me show you the calculator, all right? And then it's up to you to take your decision and press the button.
Hey, it's a no-brainer. Go ahead and hit that button.
Guys, press the button. Give yourself the chance. Do the upgrade. Have the Builderall Business Pro. Best thing that can happen is you get a lot of sales. You get 100% commissions. You get a second tier. You're going to get the best decision
You'll
ever.
never have to pay.
Right?
You'll never have to pay.
Worst thing that can happen, you're not going to sell anything, all right? Maybe you don't have any friends or something like that. So, I don't know. Maybe you don't try. Cancel. No risk for you, all right? So there is nothing to lose.
No risk. Zero risk or investment.
One thing that I can guarantee you, if you don't upgrade, you are the guy who say, okay, I'm going to try it with the regular business. I'm not going to upgrade. If nothing works, then I upgrade. You are going to regret on your first sale because you're going to promote this funnel, you will see the funnel is powerful. You're gonna get one lead, you're gonna get one sale, and then you're gonna get 50% commissions. And you're gonna say, man, I should have upgrade. Come on, what's wrong with me? No money. And then you're gonna upgrade. But then you're gonna pay because
Doesn't need to pay. This is a limited time opportunity. You have it right here and only right here, right now.
And we have to be fair because all the Builderall business owners pro, they pay it upfront.
That's right.
So nobody had this opportunity before. We have thousands of Builderall business accounts. Everybody paid before and everybody's happy, right? So I'm giving you the opportunity to start without paying. So do yourself a favor. Don't get any regrets. Upgrade now. All right? Okay. I'm going to show you my computer, and then it's up to you. And I hope I see you on the other side as a Builderall Business Pro account, and let's make some money. Now, that's it. Let's work. Starting right now, you have 24 hours to get your first sale, to see this business is working, and then you have the rest of your life to work with this thing, get a lot of money, get results like those that we put the print screens, right? Those videos and everything, that's all real. So you have time to do that. But let's start this thing right now, okay? Show you the computer, and then it's up to you. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.
Upgrade.
Right now. Okay, so here you have your Builderall Business Earnings Calculator. Right, so the idea to have this calculator is to show you how much money you can make with the Builderall Business Pro account. It's going to show you the leverage you can have with this second tiers of earnings. All right, so you tell me how many licenses you can sell in 1 year. So you can go to your calculator that you have on your page and you put there. So for example, let's say you can do 52 sales in 1 year. That would be 1 per week. All right, so here you have the earnings, the immediate earnings, and the recurring earning you're gonna have once you have 52 clients. All right, cool. But now I'm telling you that among 52 clients, you're gonna have 30% people will convert for Builderall Business Pro. All right, so that's the average that we have on our companies. More than 20,000 customers, and we can see this average. 30% of the customers will become Builderall Business Pro. So now you have 70% of people just using Builderall and 30% of people using Builderall and selling Builderall as well. All right, okay, so now just because you put here 30%, you will see a higher number here and a higher number here because the commission is higher as well. All right, okay, so now let's see the power of the second tier. Okay, so that was your work, that was your effort. Okay, make the 52 sales, and that's your money. All right. But now you have the second tier, and let's say this people is gonna do exactly like you, just to have a number, all right? So they will do exactly like you, 52 sales in 1 year, just like you. So we're gonna put here 52 sales, and then you're gonna see that now you are making more than $7,000 with the same effort. The only thing is you have a commercial license with the 2 tiers, and you have a lot of leverage, a lot of people working with you, okay? And again, we're gonna have 30% conversions here because all those users will, 30% of those users will become Builderall business owners, and then you can see the number is even higher. It's $9,000, more than $9,000. All right. So now you can play around with your calculator to see the power of the second tier, the leverage that you can have with the Builderall Business Pro account. Put your numbers, think about, take your decision. Again, it's a risk-free opportunity. You're gonna do the same effort, you're gonna do the same sales, but you can make $90,000, or you can have the chance to make $90,000, or you can be there with the 500. So it's not bad. $500 is not bad. It's good. It's gonna help you to pay for some bills, but that would be way better if you can have some leverage here. No matter if the people just gonna sell 10. All right, you still have an awesome leverage. All right, so play around, take your decision. Again, Builderall Business Pro account is something that you have the opportunity right now to do this upgrade with no risk. And that's it. check your decision. I see you on the next page where we're gonna actually start working with this viral funnel. I can't wait to see you there. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.